Requesting Ms. Meenakshi Chaudhary Garu to kindly address the gathering.
First of all, respected Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka Garu, Honorable Ministers here, distinguished dignitaries, senior officers of Telangana Police and Eagle Force, respected teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskaram. It is my privilege, honestly, and honor to participate in this anti-drug awareness program organized by the Telangana Eagle Force on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. And I extend my heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy Garu for visionary leadership that has helped us to fight against drugs and also help Telangana progress. And a big shout out to the Eagle Force for doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much for all that you do. Nenu oka army officer kutru. I am also a dentist and now working in the film industry. I think I can say with 100% surety of certain qualities that Chinnappan nunchi na intlo they were taught to us, and they are discipline, honesty and responsibility. Ante the most important thing that you can do is care for yourself. I'm sure airport, air flights lo kuda you must have heard this. Help yourself and then help the fellow passenger kada. Alage mana life lo kuda it is the most important thing. Discipline will not only lead you to a happy and a successful life, kani nee body and mind ki kuda it is very very essential. Ante drugs మీ ఇంటికి ముందు అది ఒక సైన్ బోర్డ్ ది వార్నింగ్ లాగా it won't come. It will come in ways which you will not expect. Maybe through peer pressure or ఒకసారి try చేయండి, it's fun, it's cool, it's a fad. Let me break the bubble and tell you it is not. A lot of cases we have seen, and I have seen in my own internship when I was doing, to a lot of kids who have completely spoiled their childhood and a future because of a bad habit, because of an addiction. Drug addiction is a cancer to the society, and I cannot put it as plainly as I'm telling you right now. Idi oka bad news, kani the good news is man daggara we have a cure for it, and that cure is all of you sitting here. It starts with you. You have to be sure that you say no, or you do not appreciate and set boundaries when somebody is telling you, you know what, let's just try it, what will happen? That one choice will lead to a series of events that hold the key to the future. And let me tell you, that can completely make your life or break your life. So choose wisely in terms of the habits and the addictions you have. We all have addiction to be able to reach to the top. I had that. A lot of things that I have, which I would say, attachment to our loved ones, wanting to do better, an addiction to have a great life. I would say, life lo high kavalante, you should do that with success, a healthy body and a healthy mind. This is not the route to do that. Oka temporary happiness and oka temporary joy kosam you are losing out to a life which is a lifetime. And life is a blessing, it is a gift. I hope you understand that this thing, this life that you're all sitting here is given to you by your parents, and they love you. There are your people who love you. If not for you, do it for them. Say no to drugs. Sarena? And last thing is, Lucky Bhaskar lo oka line untadi that mandu, cigarette, the itch kick iche kante, the kick that you get is from dabbu. And I would also like to add it is from health. So do well in life, make a lot of money, have a successful, happy, healthy life for you, for your loved ones. That is the most important thing, and say no to drugs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you so much.